welcome to my channel. So today's video is about how you can create your table in the database through a graphical user interface. So let's go ahead and open your database first. In my case, the database is called my sales tech, and if I explore this, you can see the option tables. So just click there and select new, then table. Now you will see a window is there. It is also known as template or a wizard. Okay, the first thing is you can see is the column name. Now what is column name? The data you are storing is somewhere is known as column name. Okay, next is data type is the type of value, the type of data you are storing in your column is known as data type. And third is nulls. So if I check this, it will allow null, and if I did not, it will does not allow any null. So if I require a null value in my column, then I will just check that out. Suppose if you wanna do not insert any value in that particular column, you will allow a null. So okay, so before starting or writing your column name directly, you must know about the types of data or the actual schema of your table. Suppose if you are making a table with a department with for a department, suppose, now you must know that what type of column it can contain, what type of data types it can contain, and actually it will not accept, or it is a mandatory field. So you must know about all these things first. So I have the data in my excel sheet where I have the column name called department name, salary, number of product, and date. So okay, so before going through your table creations, you have the knowledge of the data type. Okay, now if I suppose if I choose the department name, you can see the type of data is storing is called string or text. It will not accept, or it will not consider a numeric value. Okay, so it will only accepting a string or a text value. Next is salary. Salary is obviously a numeric value. It cannot be an string or text. Okay, now number of product and date would always be a date. Okay, so these are the basic knowledge, and you must always give a precise data type to your column name, so it will not create any further issues. Okay, so let's get started and start writing your column name in the wizard. Now, first is the department name. So the value is storing is called a string or a text, or in SQL we call it varchar. Now what is this 50? This 50 is the max length, the maximum character it can store. Okay, if I find the maximum value out of this, it will not contain, it will not extend to more than, I think, 50 or 60 characters. So I'll just give it to 50. Now it is a mandatory field, so I will not check it. Second is the salary. Salary is always in numeric format, so I'm giving it as an integer. It is also mandatory, so I'm not checking this. Again, number of product, it is also considered as integer. I think it is mandatory, totally mandatory, so I'm checking this. Next is date. Date of type, date. It will always accept the date value. Okay, do not check the date or date time. It will accept date time value. We require only date, so I'm selecting it date. This, it is a mandatory field. So press Control S to save the table. The table name would be sales department. Click on OK. Okay, if you refresh here, you can see your table is listed here. See. Okay, now if you explore this, you can see the columns and the data type and the basic properties of a column. Okay, so this is all about the creation of table. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.